Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on creating columns in Apple Pages. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. I'll show you how to do it both on the word processor and page layout areas of Pages. In the default text editor of Pages, you can create columns by selecting the Layout tab. In the Layout tab, you'll see the columns options. Expand them. You can add multiple columns here. Either enter a number or use the up and down buttons to create more or delete columns. Double-click any of the created columns and you can edit the column width and gutter width. The gutter is the space between each column. If equal column width is enabled, then changing one column will change the rest of them. Disable that checkbox and you can make each column be a different size. On the Page Layout section of Pages, you can create columns by first selecting a text box and dragging it to the size you want. When the text box is selected, go to the Layout tab and expand the columns options. Here you can create and edit columns like before. Another way of creating columns with page layout is to create multiple text boxes. They can be any size and start in different places. You can then connect them by clicking this circle icon at the top of the first text box, and then clicking the same circle button at the top of the second box. This will connect the two of them and create columns. You can do this with as many text boxes as you want. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more tips and tricks.